This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, January 14th. Stock index futures trading mixed now, but earlier in the overnight session, we did see some new record highs in the S&P and NASDAQ. Over the next several days, the next week or so, I would expect stock index futures to continue to advance. Also, I would expect these gains to follow through in the first part of February, as the fundamentals still remain very supportive to stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, seeing the dollar index trading a little bit higher, even though the CPI here in the U.S. came in a little weaker than expected, up 0.2%. The guess was for up 0.3%. Also, the British pound under some pressure again, as it appears that the Bank of England is on a course to lower interest rates sometime this year. In the interest rate futures markets, the CPI coming in a bit on the weaker than anticipated side, supporting the credit market futures. Also, the probability of a rate cut at the December meeting of this year now at 56%, same as yesterday. The copper market advancing to its highest level since May of last year. Still thinking the industrial commodities will trend higher, and that would include, of course, copper, crude oil, and also the lumber market. Flight to quality vehicles such as the gold and silver have come under a little pressure more recently, as it appears that the U.S. and China will sign a Phase 1 trade deal tomorrow. But I'm thinking, though, that once that deal is signed, if it is signed, and it probably will be, I think that will be the low for the gold and silver. At that point, I think we can see a new leg up in the precious metals. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.